Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be switching out this old shower head. As you can see, the flow is not very good. I have well water. I tried cleaning it out, soaking it in vinegar, and it still hasn't improved. I bought this new Aquadance chrome shower head. It was like 16 bucks on Amazon. Comes with Teflon tape, washers, so I'm going to switch it out and see if there's any difference. I put some new Teflon tape around the thread on the shower itself. You always want to go clockwise with it. Then the next step is screwing this with the washer and the screen. That's fitting up onto the shower head, and just turn it clockwise. You don't want to over tighten it. Just once it gets snug, stop. You just want to hand tighten it. You don't need any tools. Next step is you take your hose and you want to take the end that has the nut on it and take a washer and put that in to the nut. And now we're going to screw this onto the shower head. And now we're going to take that end that we just put the washer in, and we're going to screw that on. You could put some Teflon tape around here. It's your choice, and just finger tighten. Now the other end of the hose with the longer fixture on it, you're going to put a washer in there, and then we're going to screw that directly onto the new shower head. I'm just going to turn on the water and we'll see how it flows. And that's much better than it was before. A lot better flow. Just check for leaks around any place you screwed it in, and it looks good. It's not leaking. So there you go. It's very easy, quick to do, and it'll give you a little more pressure if your old shower head was giving you problems. So if this video helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing. If you want to leave a comment, feel free. If you have any questions, be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.